10 essential phrasal verb for agreeing and disagreeing. Agree with. Agree with. To have the same opinion as someone else. Example: I agree with your assessment of the situation. Concur with. Concur with. To express agreement or approval with someone's point of view. Example: I concur with your proposal for the project. Go along with. Go along with. To accept or support someone's idea or decision. Example: I'm willing to go along with your plan. Cotton on to. Cotton on to. To start to understand or realize something and agree with it. Example: It took me a while, but I finally cottoned on to what you were saying. Give in to. Give in to. To reluctantly agree to something after resisting for a while. Example: After much debate, he finally gave in to their demands. Disagree with. Disagree with. To have a different opinion or not support someone else's opinion. Example: I strongly disagree with your assessment of the situation. Differ from. Differ from. To be unlike or have a contrasting opinion or view. Example: My perspective on this issue differs from yours. Take issue with. Take issue with. To have a problem or disagreement with something. Example: I take issue with the way this project has been handled. Clash with. Clash with. To be in conflict or disagreement with someone or something. Example: her views on the topic often clash with mine. Buck against. Buck against. To resist or oppose something strongly. Example: he tends to buck against any changes in the company's policies.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.